Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video from MTX Audio. Question for you. Do you have one of our MUDSYS series soundbars, or maybe even one of our MUDSYS soundbars, and you're thinking about wanting to expand that audio system with more speakers and an amplifier? Well, stay tuned, because I have the solution for you. All right, guys, welcome back. Now, as I mentioned, MUDSYS series soundbar or MUDSYS series soundbar. Now, you may already own one of these and you like it, you just wish you had more. Well, guys, believe it or not, we have got a solution for you. If you're thinking about expanding the audio system by adding more speakers and an amplifier, all you need is one of our new universal audio kits. Now, it's very simple because we've already included most of what you need within the soundbar itself. For example, in our MUDSYS series soundbar, you'll find in the harness a pair of RCAs. Now, these are output RCAs to be able to feed the audio signal that you're playing through your soundbar into an amplifier and subsequently out to other speakers. We've also included a turn-on wire for that amplifier that you can simply connect into. Now, the solution to be able to expand a MUDSYS soundbar with additional speakers would be our universal add-on audio kit. Now, the add-on audio kit features a pair or two, depending on which one you want to buy, of our MUD65PL CAN speakers. Now, these speakers include a universal clamp system that works with 1.75, 1.85, or 2-inch tubular roll cage bars. They have integrated RGB lighting, and the system also comes with a MUD 100.2 amplifier, as well as the power kit and speaker wire to be able to run between the amp and the speakers themselves. Now, if you own one of our MUDSYS series soundbars, you're in a similar situation. The difference is, on the MUDSYS series soundbar, it actually has a 3.5 millimeter audio output. So, in that case, you would need to utilize our universal auxiliary audio system. Now, the difference between it and the add-on system we spoke to is the interface cable. Our auxiliary system comes with a 3.5 millimeter to RCA stereo pair cable. That allows you to take the audio signal coming out of your MUDSYS series soundbar and feed it again into the MUD 100.2 amplifier. From there, the wiring and connection to your MUD65 speakers is identical to the add-on kit. The other difference is, with the MUDSYS series soundbar, you will need to wire the amplifier to a switched turn-on signal, as unfortunately the MUDSYS bar does not have the integrated amplifier turn-on wire. So hopefully this gives you an add-on option if you're already the owner of one of our MUD series soundbars. Hopefully you got some information, and I thank you for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video.